Yo guys, Paunchy here, and today I'm going to show you a little trick that I use personally to improvise, and we're going to do it on the model samples. Let's go. Alright, so I do have a pattern pulled up here that I made on the model samples a little while ago. Now, this is what it sounds like. Okay, so all I have is a beat going and a bass line. That's it. But one thing you can do, and this is a trick you can do without having to change patterns, which to me is it's a way to kind of maximize each pattern so you can get the most out of it. So what essentially you're going to do is you're going to use a mixture of running a sequence on a track and playing notes along with the sequence. When you press notes, you're going to be playing notes in between the notes that are already in the sequence. So let me show you what I mean. So you have the regular bass line here just playing. It's on track 6. So if you want to change it, add some notes. Just start pressing random notes. Now, also, real quick, keep in mind, if you don't know a lot about theory, that's okay. You got to rely on your ears in this case. So, if you don't know any theory, just put in literally random notes. Just press random notes. If it doesn't sound good to you, don't play those notes anymore. You know what I mean? So, you got to rely on your ears. So, here, I'm going to add in some other notes along with the sequence that's already playing. Okay, so that's the easiest way to improvise. Just start adding notes. You know, if you're not, I used a little bit of theory there to choose the right notes, but I mean, try pressing random notes. See, you know, it's a little harder that way, but you just gotta keep going till you find the right notes. Okay, now another thing you can do, you can apply this technique to drums as well to do kind of fills. You know, we got some bass drums here, so you know, you can do it to the snare, you can add some extra snares in there. You can also do this with the retrig. So So that's just a few ways it's one way to improvise on pretty much any track here. So hope that helps you guys. I'll be back in a couple days with another video, and I will see you next time.